Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Cash App for Business, manage payments and report step by step clearly. Download the Cash App from the App Store or Google Play, or open the official Cash App website on your computer. Check that you are using the official app or site to avoid scams and fake login pages. Open Cash App and tap Sign In to start the login process. Enter the phone number or email address linked to your business Cash App account. Choose how you want to receive your login code, by SMS or email, and request the code. Open your messages or email. Find the Cash App verification code, and return to the app. Type the verification code exactly as received to confirm your identity. If prompted, allow biometric login like Face ID or fingerprint for faster and safer access. Create or confirm your Cash App PIN and keep it private for account protection. After login, go to your profile icon to verify you are in the correct business account. If you have multiple accounts, use the switch option to select your business profile. Tap the Activity tab to see incoming payments, refunds, and completed transactions. Tap any transaction to view details like date, amount, customer info, and notes if available. Use the search or filter tools to quickly find payments by name, date range, or status. To request a payment, tap the Money tab and select Request. Then enter the amount and customer details. To send an invoice-style note, add a clear description so you can match payments later. To accept payments more easily, open your QR code and share it with customers at checkout. To manage your balance, review available funds and confirm your linked bank account information. Go to the Banking or Cash Out section to transfer funds to your bank when needed. Choose Standard Deposit for no-fee timing, or Instant Deposit if available and you accept the fee. To track business performance, open the Statements or Documents area if shown in your account. Download transaction history or statements as a file for bookkeeping and tax reporting. If you need detailed reports, export data to your accounting software or save it in a spreadsheet. Review your tax settings and business details to ensure your legal name and address are accurate. Turn on security settings like two-step verification and login alerts for extra protection. If you cannot log in, use the Help section to recover access and confirm your email or phone number. Never share your code, PIN, or login link with anyone, even if they claim to be support. When finished, log out on shared devices and lock your phone to keep the business account secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.